Hello and welcome. Here we are going to study more about getting the values in the data frame, and now we can get value by index and giving value or giving position of these two value and index. Now I have created four series here, and now I want to make data frame here. Let's make this df is equal to pd dot data frame, and let's pass the columns name here is a we are working with dictionary here. We will make recent year, this is 2018. let's make from 2018, and this is of sales 2017, sorry for this 2017 of sales 2, 2016 of sale 3, and 2015 of sales 4. Let's hit enter, and it should work. Sorry for this sales 3, as I have not made that sales 3. Cell 3 I have made that, so it is not making cell 3. Again same problem here, I have not seen that here also and here also. Now this is our data frame. Let's print it df, and we are getting this. Now we can get here, if you need, we have previously get the value of either of this all 2018 or all the value of C1, C2, C3, like that, means by taking 4 rows, 5 rows, something like that. But now if you need the column of a specific row, means C1 and 2018 or C2 or 2016, anything you may need there, you can use that by the method of data frame, that is position df dot 8 means you know 8 means position in any English language. Same here. Now you can pass here index, comma, here you can pass the value of the index here. Let's pass here, if I want C3, and if I need of 2015, then like this. Let's see 2015 as this may be this value, and this is the right value. This is you can make of any value. Let's see by other also. C4, and let's enter as C4, and this is 1250. We have get it. Now you can get this value by the position also. For this position you can use this here. Let's try this as like this dot 80, and let's pass here. Let's first of all make C4 and 2015, and another value we will make here. Let's try it. I have not tried this, but we should try this. This is I have third now, just now, so I am working to you. This is not giving this value. Anyway, this I have not tried. If I got this solution, then I think this should be in like this. F.88 and like this. Let's try this and see. We can make here copy and paste, and let's make another variable here. This is just trying, because trying in front of you is like the challenge, because I have not done this. This is not taking this, so we can make, let's make another try and we will move forward. Sorry for this, I have not copied this. Oh no, what is going with me? Where that has been gone? Copy and paste it here. Let's make here another braces, and it is saying unassignable list cannot be used. Let's move here. If you need by the position, means this is the 0 position, this is 1 position by this, then you can make this by DataFrame. Sorry for this, we have defined this df dot iat, means this is the ith position. Let's pass 1 and 3. This is a random I have put. 1 means 2 and 3 means this third position, and this is the 2500. This you can get like this. Now we are going to perform some operation in this same value. Let's print first of all df. This is the data frame of ours. Let's rename column of 2015 to 2010. Let's print that value here. For renaming this value, just we can make here df. Let's make a new data frames. This is the good things, because we need this data frame many times, so we will make data frame is equal to, you can make df dot rename also here, df dot, but it will assign to your, this may assign to your same value, so I don't want to take chance to make here, to make different here. This may be needed. I will make 2018 and I will make 2014. Let's enter this and print df1. Let's see, this is 2014 and we have get the renaming value. And another way of renaming value, like you can make in place, means here before that you were not placing this value in this value, means original data frame. But if you want to place, let's see that df, let's make simply this, and see that and print again df, it is giving a same value. But if you want to make that value like this of old one, then how can you make that? For that we have to make some changes in the column. Let's make same thing, copy this same thing and let's pass some argument with this. Here we can pass here with this inpl is, sorry for this, in place is equal to true, then print. It is giving me some error, and this should not be error here. In place r is equal to, it is giving me in place, sorry for this, this may be like this, and PLAC in place true. Sorry for this, I'm getting some error, random error here. This is more here, place true. In place is not defined here, this should be like this, but not getting, I will get this one. Sorry for this, I should not pass this here. Let's make data frame dot, sorry for this, I was passing here and making in place is equal to true, and let's, yes, we are getting this. Now DataFrame, now you are getting 14 here. This is how you can make this value. If you want to add some data frame and series in this data frame, then you can add simply like this. You can add more thing by calling this previous, also like this. You have made this here, we have made here like this. We will make first of all by this method, and let's see that df is equal to data cell, and let's make here, I think this is same here, and let's make 2014, and you can simply pass here value 2000, 1500, 1300, 900, this may be 5. This is how you can sell 3 as if that was the old one, and we are taking same value that we have get error previously. Let's erase this and this. Now it has add this value like this. Now if I want simply by passing this value, then I can add by like this, 2013 is equal to, I can pass value like this. Here pass data frame series, and I will pass the series of 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Let's pass this and see the data frame. This is how you can pass the value on the modified data frame, and you can modify data frame like this. You can change this value also. I want to change the value of 2017 like this. What I want to do is data frame, sorry for this, df dot, here this may be 2018 is equal to df dot 2000, sorry for this, 2017 by multiply by 2. Let's make this syntax error, means this should be of variable. We will make that later and you will get. Let's change the column names, all the columns names. For this I will make the column names as df.columns columns and column, sorry for this. Let's not make this, and let's insert the value here. Suppose I want to insert in this position first 0, first and second position, I want to insert this value, and we can pass df and simply pass here like previous one we can pass like this, same is this, what here we have to pass some value like this. Suppose this is the second position and I want to say this is 2012 and I want to pass some data. Let's make 200, 100, 1200, 10 and 13, 2, 4, 5 and let's enter. And this is going to call data frame is not callable, miss. Here we have to, I have made some mistake. Let's change this and is equal to, and let's make this. Sorry for this not to cannot assign the function to call here, and it is not giving me a right answer here. And as I called you that this is the insertion, sometime mind does not works with us. Let's make same here, copy paste dot insert. This is the insertion command and it is inserting df and it is let's get us in the second position. This is the insertion part, and why this is giving me wrong line. And this is for this video. In next video we will make appending to data frame and deleting element, columns or anything from the data frame in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.